Hey guys, greetings. How you doing? I hope you are doing well. I want to show you what we got here. We got Samsung high definition, crystal high definition smart TV, 65 inches. This is very big gear. This is 65 inches Samsung TV, crystal processor, 4K high definition, compatible with Apple AirPlay. Okay, what we are going to do is to unbox this gear, see what is inside. This was delivered today. Okay, so we're going to unbox this stuff. Nice gear. Now, to unbox this gear, what we are going to do. I like the packaging. This is very, you can take it off from here. Okay, just need to find the pattern. Okay, and okay. What we are going to do is this is to hold it. This is one of the seating. This is the second one. So this will go in. Okay. Going to put this by the side. What you can see here, this is the remote and the power cable is in here. Okay, quick setup guide and also energy, okay, information sheet. This is energy information sheet for this TV. Wow. Okay, this is right now. There we go. Nice packaging. Okay. This is why huge. Okay, this is what is in here. Wow, there we go. This is so guys, this is Samsung Galaxy. Okay, from the back here you can see common interface. Okay, so the power cable, okay, and area goes in here. Okay, this is very nice, huge tele, beautiful stuff. Beautiful. Yeah, and then underneath here, this is the unboxing. This Samsung. Beautiful stuff. Okay, so guys, this is what I ordered. This is Samsung Galaxy Smart TV, 65 inches. Okay, original box from Samsung. This is the energy information. Okay, beautiful stuff. Very nice. So guys, I thought to show you Samsung Galaxy, the unboxing of this 65 inches tele. Okay, beautiful stuff. The remote control. So the settings, this goes in here. This goes right here. This is where it goes. Okay, this is where this goes. This one goes to this side. Okay, you turn it around. Okay. So guys, I thought to show you the unboxing of this beautiful stuff. Okay, thank you very much guys. This is Samsung Galaxy 65 inches tele unboxing. Nice, beautiful stuff. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed.